Hi, I'm Mike Mills, the co-chairman of the Murfreesboro Barbecue Cook-Off. Our contest theme this year is Praise the Lord. It's an old-fashioned tent revival celebrating the almighty pig, praising the pig. That's what a barbecue contest is all about, is pork. This year at the Murfreesboro Barbecue Cook-Off, we're giving away $17,000 in total money. This is a dual-sanctioned contest with the MBN and the KCBS. Now, right now, we already have 50 teams. They're vying for the trophies and, like I say, $17,000 worth of prize money.
Schedule of events for Thursday include a fish fry buffet, a DJ at 8 o'clock, and fish and wing awards at 9. Friday includes sauce contest judging, grand champion buffet, and a band and street dance. Saturday features cook-off and sauce judging and award ceremony at 6.
All the teams that are coming here to Southern Illinois to see our small city of Murfreesboro, they will actually start cooking on Friday morning. Judging time starts on Saturday at 10 o'clock to show them our Southern hospitality. It's really an awesome time.
Take it from the legend and celebrate the almighty pig at the 22nd Annual Murfreesboro Barbecue Cook-Off on 17th Street in Murfreesboro. For more information, visit 17thstreetbarbecue.com. This has been a Treetop production.